Hey, did you know that you could eat delicious foods like this, and this, and this, and use them to flip on your body's natural metabolic switch, and finally get the vibrant, healthy, and attractive body that you've always wanted? Well, that's exactly what you're about to discover. So stick around, because in this short video, you're going to learn the groundbreaking new way to optimize your metabolism, reset your health, and burn away all the unwanted fat faster than you ever thought possible. Welcome to Speed Carnivore. It's a revolutionary new way of looking at meat and protein based on the latest breakthroughs in nutrition science. And it's being advocated by some of the most respected doctors and scientists in the world. Thousands of people are switching to Speed Carnivore to achieve astounding body transformations and to live healthier and happier lives. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. And better yet, I'll show you how to use this brand new scientific approach to eating to quickly and effectively vanish the stubborn fat around the waist, the hips, and other places, and how you too can enjoy a stronger, leaner, and healthier body. So listen, no matter how many times you've tried and failed to lose the weight in the past, you're going to love this brand new approach, because it's proven by science to be the fastest and most effective way to experience the accelerated body transformation you want and deserve. And it's not just about weight loss. You'll be glad to know that people who embrace this new way of eating also experience a surge in vibrant energy that lasts throughout the day, a boost in mental sharpness, focus, and concentration, longer and more relaxing sleep, reduced body inflammation and bloating, improved health markers across the board. They find themselves in a consistently better mood, and they look and feel decades younger. This new approach to health was created by Dr. Harlan Kilstein, a world-class nutrition expert. His unique perspectives on ketosis and low-carb health have helped more than 125,000 people live happier and healthier lives, and the reason why more than 1 million people follow his advice all across social media. And today, Dr. Kilstein is taking things to the next level and bringing us something faster and even more effective. It's called Speed Carnivore, and it's a true evolution of healthy eating. First, people noticed that a low-carb diet was very helpful for improving their health and well-being. Then, the keto diet took the world by storm, taking carbs even lower and producing remarkable results for the hundreds of thousands of people who embraced its lifestyle. And now, the next level of health improvement and body transformation is finally here. Speed Carnivore works by taking low carb and turning it into zero carb, and combines it with the most efficient elements of keto like intermittent fasting and 1 meal a day. The program optimizes the human metabolism by maximizing the use of protein to make the body use fat instead of sugar as its primary source of fuel. As a result, the body burns away all the stored fat and optimizes its functions, taking health to a whole different level and producing blazing fast results. Now, before we move on, there are 3 very important things you need to know about this revolutionary new way of eating. Number 1. Some vegetables, fruits, and seeds are actually hazardous to our health. When people first hear about Speed Carnivore, they always ask, what in the world could be wrong with veggies? And that's a fair question. After all, we've been told for decades that we need a balanced diet that includes foods from every group. However, that's not entirely true. The latest science proves that a certain kind of vegetable called cruciferous can actually cause serious damage to our health. You see, like other living organisms, some vegetables have developed defense mechanisms to protect themselves from predators and ensure their survival. Cauliflower, broccoli, radishes, cabbage, even superfoods like kale and mustard greens. They're all prime examples of this. When these plants feel attacked, they unleash bioactive phytochemical reactions and produce pungent compounds that are strong enough to kill insects, bacteria, and fungi. Among the most common is a chemical compound called sulforaphane. And yes, just like the name tells us, it's a kind of sulfur. Now, when we eat these plants, up to 75% of the sulforaphane is absorbed into the bloodstream and taken to every last part of our bodies. And once inside, it starts to wreak havoc and causes irreversible damage to intracellular structures. The tiny power plants inside our cells, called mitochondria, are killed. Life-sustaining enzymes get rendered useless or entirely destroyed. And as the body tries to fight back, our antioxidant reserves get depleted. leaving our health wide open and vulnerable to further oxidative damage by free radicals. And it doesn't stop there at all. Other bioactive compounds alter hormone production that leads to hypertrophy of the thyroid and may cause severe neurological alterations. And it's not just vegetables. Some fruits can be quite hazardous as well. Many fruits contain high concentrations of fructose, a type of sugar that contributes to various kinds of metabolic disorders. Other fruits are loaded with tannin, a chemical that binds itself to natural digestive enzymes and leads to problems like constipation, bloating, diarrhea, and even nutritional deficiencies. And yet, other fruits have isoflavone, which can disrupt the endocrine system and lead to hormonal issues and imbalances. In particular, this affects estrogen production, the hormone that regulates the female menstrual cycle and is directly linked to the reproductive tract, the urinary tract, heart and blood vessels, bones, breasts, skin, hair, muscles, and even the brain. And finally, we get to grains and seeds. These are essentially baby plants, and certain types, in particular, have proven to be harmful to human health. Refined grains are the most harmful. When grains are refined, only the high-carb, high-calorie is left, and almost all of it is starch, which causes an increase in blood sugar levels, triggers insulin spikes, and leads to obesity. Number 2. The nutrients your body needs are still there. Few people know this, but science is loud and clear on the subject. The majority of nutrients are present and more bioavailable in animal foods than plant foods. Let's take vitamin C, for example. The human body needs a specific amount of vitamin C to function properly. It's necessary for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. It's also involved in the production of collagen and the absorption of iron. And it's absolutely necessary for the immune system, wound healing, and the maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. And when thinking about vitamin C, most people think about limes, lemons, and oranges. However, the necessary amount of vitamin C can also be found from eggs, liver, and fish roe. And the same happens with most other vitamins and essential nutrients. Nearly all of them exist in a more bioavailable form in animal-based foods. A handful of other nutrients the body needs can also be acquired by supplements like electrolytes. And number 3, a carnivore diet is scientifically safe. Even though this revolutionary new way of eating is only starting to become popular, it is actually not new. In fact, it's backed up and supported by decades of scientific research and proven science. The carnivore diet has been scrutinized in detail by medical professionals in every area. Renowned cardiologists, nephrologists, neurologists, and other doctors and scientists, well-respected leaders in their fields, have extensively studied the effects and health benefits. After being consistently surprised, and based on the evidence and the results, many of them have actually decided to join the carnivore lifestyle. And after months in development, the Speed Carnivore program is finally available to you. It's a complete 30-day program that includes everything you need to reach your body transformation and health improvement goals. Here's what's included. The Speed Carnivore program. This is where you'll learn the ins and outs of the carnivore diet and discover how a zero-carb nutrition diet combined with intermittent fasting is the single most effective way to flip on your metabolism's natural fat-burning switch. The Speed Carnivore Meal Plan, an easy-to-follow step-by-step plan that helps you plan your meals for the next month. Everything is planned in advance, so there's no guesswork involved. You'll know exactly what to eat every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's a finely tuned and very precise plan designed to give your body a balanced intake of all the nutrients it needs for optimal function. And the Speed Carnivore recipes and shopping lists. These make the program a breeze to follow because you'll know exactly which ingredients to buy and how to turn them into delicious meals that you'll enjoy every day. Better yet, after your purchase, you'll get the opportunity to get an additional 30 days worth of meals planned out for you, including the shopping lists and the recipes too. And a complete and practical guide for eating at the most popular chain restaurants while staying 100% carnivore and 100% zero carb. Speed Carnivore is a digital download. And as I mentioned before, there's no guesswork involved. You just follow along the 30 days, step by step, to achieve your fat-burning, weight loss, and body transformation goals faster and more effectively than ever before. All you've got to do is click the button to download Speed Carnivore and start following the program right away. You don't have to keep track of anything. There's no counting of calories, carbs, or macros. It's not restrictive at all, so you'll never feel starved. And if you like meat, the food you get to eat is simply delicious. Beef, pork, fish, chicken, turkey, eggs, they're all included in perfect balance throughout the 30 days. You're going to love Speed Carnivore. You're going to love the food, and you're going to love how it makes you feel. And above all, you're going to love the results. It is the perfect way to get rid of the extra weight and enjoy the body you've always wanted. The body you deserve to have. A healthy, vibrant, energetic body. So go ahead, click the button to download Speed Carnivore right now and get started today. And to make this even better, your investment is fully protected by my no questions asked 90-day money-back guarantee. You'll either love what Speed Carnivore does for you, or you get your money back. It's as simple as that. And all you've got to do is start. Click the button right now to download Speed Carnivore. It is available in digital format. Measure yourself, take a picture, and follow Speed Carnivore for 30 days. You're going to love the results. Download it now. Your zero-carb lifestyle starts now.